Okay, children, in the last class we are discussing two problems, example 3 and example 4. Once again I have to repeat you. 4 power n is end with the digit 0. So in this problem just we have to recall, if the number 4 power n ends with the digit 0, it is divisible by 2 and 5. So in the expansion of 4 power n can be written as 2 power 2n. So it contains only the prime number 2 but not 5. So that when any number ends with the digit 0, definitely it is divisible by 2 and 5. In the power of 4 power n there is no 5. So that it is not divisible by 5. That is why 4 power n cannot end with the digit 5, no, end with the digit 0. Now go through the next problem. Find the HCF and LCM. The HCF is the least powers of the prime factors, is nothing but HCF. The greatest powers of the prime factors is said to be HCF. In the similar way, we have to discuss some more problems in the exercise 1.2. That is, third problem. Check whether 6 power n end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So this problem you have to do yourself at home. And the first and second Romans are also same process what we discussed in the yesterday class. And do these problems, page number 8, do this problem and try these problems also you have to do yourself. If you have any doubt, contact to my number. The number will be announced after the end of this class. Okay, children. Now we are discussing the problem, fourth problem in exercise 1.2. Let us see here. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. These are the problems. Explain why these two problems are composite numbers. So when a number is composite, the product of two even numbers, the product of two prime numbers is composite number, the product of two composite numbers also composite number, the product of even and composite and prime numbers is also composite. Let us see this one. In this problem, 7 into 11 into 13, prime number into prime number into prime number is also another prime number. So prime number plus 13. So this is also prime number. Prime plus prime, what will be obtained for us? 3 plus 5, 8 will coming. Same like prime plus prime, composite number. So the sum of two prime numbers, this is also a prime number. The sum of two primes is also a composite. So that the expansion of this entire number is what number? Composite. Product of 3 or more prime numbers will also a prime number plus prime number. So that like this we have to do. In the other hand, we have to do the second method. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Take 13 as common factor, that is 7 into 11 plus 1. 7 11s are 8, 77 plus 1 into 13. This is 78 into 13. 78 is composite number. This one is this is prime number. The product of prime and composite is also a composite number. So the product of prime and composite, this is composite, this one is prime. The product of composite and prime number is what will happen? Composite number. In the similar manner, we have to do the other problem. The second one, expansion of 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 How we have to do this one time see. Here 5 is same common factor. You get 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Multiply these ones. 7 6 are 42. 42 into 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 into 1 24. So that 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, sorry, plus 1 into 5. The product of composite and composite will also a composite number. Composite plus 1. So, to 40 to 24s, one time multiply. 24 2s are 48. 24 4s are 96. 96 plus 4, 100. So, it is 1008 plus 1 into 5, 1009 into 5. Whether it is 1009 prime number into, think like this, prime into composite, composite, prime into prime, also composite. So, the product of two prime numbers will also a composite number. The product of composite and prime number will also a composite. So, the product is a composite. These are the two problems you have to do in your textbook. This is I think this is which problem? Fourth problem in the exercise 1.2. Now, we are going to discuss the fifth problem as the same pattern. So, you have to do yourself. Just I will send the photograph of the page number 8. Now, and goes through the sixth problem. What is the last digit of 6 power 100? Eighth problem in this exercise. Let us see what is the unit digit of the number 6 power 100. 6 power 100 is the number. One time just we have to see this one. Case 1. You know 6 power 1 is 6. Case 2, this is case 1, case 2, 6 square, 6 into 6, that is 36, case 3, 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, 216. So, 6 power 4, case 4, 6 power 4. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 36, you get 16, how much will come? One time see, 36, 6 1 is 6, 9, 6 2s are 12, 1296. So, 6 power of 1, 6, 6 square is 36, 6 cube 216, 6 power 4, 1296. If any power of 6 is even power or odd power, the unit digit of the number ends with the digit 6. In the similar pattern, in the similar manner, case number 100, case number 100, in the last case 6 power 100 also ends with the digit 6, because 6 power 1, 6 square 36, 6 cube 216, 6 power 4 1296. So, the power of 6 is either even or prime. The unit digit of the all cases, the unit digit of the number ends with the digit 6. So, that 6 power of 100 ends with the digit 6. This is the end of this exercise. You have to practice these problems and do this, try these problems in the 8th page. You have to do yourself. By children, for any more doubts, just to contact to my number 98855 62857. By children.